Hello Hot Wheel Monster Jam collectors, I am super excited that I was able to get this truck, the Ice Cream Man, with the color treads. And it is January 18th of 2018, and as you can tell, this was from last year, with included the team flag. And the color tread, he is one of 4 in the mini-series of last year. On it on the back, we have some trucks here. Well, the first one is the Ice Cream Man. Then we had Epic Editions of Titan, Higher Education, color treads. We also had the Gas Monkey Garage in Epic Editions of Alien Invasion, Monster Mutt, Rottweiler and the Dog Pound, Cletus in the X-Ray Body, and El Toro Loco in the Creatures. So let's get right ahead. Take a look at the team flag of the truck. Just a bunch of ice cream balls and one ice cream cone with ice cream that fell on the floor. There's a Hot Wheels logo also. And then you have the name of the truck on the opposite side with the Monster Jam logo. I really like the red flag that came with the Ice Cream Man. I really also like the red tires that they gave the Ice Cream Man. I like the wheels, the blue rails, and the blue chassis goes very good with the body of the Ice Cream Man. Brings it all together. We'll bring it up close. There's the new Monster Jam logo on the back there. All kinds of ice cream on the side of the truck. And rightly so, there's a stop sign on the ice cream truck. Into the front. On the hood, it says Ice Cream Man with more ice cream blotches, I would call them. Then on the other side, a stop sign, also Ice Cream Man. Some of the sponsors for the Ice Cream Man truck. Very cool. All kinds of things right there on the back that you can get from the Ice Cream Man truck. The name of the truck on the back. Excellent. Let's see, on the roof you have Amelie. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that correctly. Motor Oil. You have the name of the truck and more ice cream on top. Very cool. So let's put on the team flag. There we go. It's kind of interesting that Ice Cream Man was the first truck in this mini-series. I've been waiting all this time to get him. Number 2 in the series was Doomsday, and he also had red tires. Then the third truck was Higher Education, which I just got not too long ago off of eBay. And then the last one, number 4, was Gravedigger with the purple tires. This also was a good choice of tires for the Gravedigger. So you can check out all of the color treads unboxing videos if you so choose. So thank you for tuning in to the Ice Cream Man unboxing. Hopefully you enjoyed this.